Did you know that using the wrong music on YouTube can literally get your videos taken down or demonetized, even if you didn't mean to break the rules? Yes, it is scary, but don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use free music from YouTube's audio library in your music so that you aren't risking anything with your channel, okay? But you still need to be careful because there are some songs on YouTube's audio library that you can't use completely for free. And so in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly where you can find YouTube's audio library, what songs you can actually use without having to give credit, plus how you can sift through these songs to find something that suits your video best and makes your video get more views. Hi, I'm Shantae, and if you're new to my channel, I am a YouTube creator who is on a mission to build my own YouTube business and literally start doing YouTube full-time. So if you'd like to see what I'm doing with my channel and how you can do the same, if you also want to do YouTube full-time, then be sure to subscribe to see all of my new videos. All right, so first off, let's start with breaking the biggest myth of them all, and that is that you can use any type of free music in your YouTube videos. Now, that is not the case at all. And I learned this the hard way because what I would usually do at the beginning of my channel and when I had a different channel years ago is I would go onto YouTube and I'd literally just type in free YouTube music. And so I'd search through the different music, as you can see right over here. And as long as it said free, then I thought, okay, I can use this, right? But the catch with this kind of music is that you need to give the creators credits. Well, usually you'd have to. So let me show you how that looks. So for example, you can see a video right here that I clicked on. So you'll see here relaxing ambient instrumental music for videos, okay? And you'll see here that if you scroll down, while yes, it is free to use this music, there is this T's and C's, okay, down here. So you'll see they say here license, and they say this song is free to use on YouTube and social media, but you must include the following credits in your video's description. Okay, so now you have to go ahead and literally copy and paste this entire section in order to be allowed to use this music. Now, I don't know about you, but I really do not want to copy and paste an entire essay in my YouTube description. I'd rather just use music that is free to use, no credits required, right? Now, in order to do that, the safest place that you can find music where you don't have to give any credits is in YouTube's own audio library. All right, now let me show you where you can find that on your channel. All right, so as you can see here, we are in the back end of my YouTube channel. So I have a YouTube channel called Shantae World. It's the one that you're watching on right now. And so once you have a channel, you'll also have the option over here in the left side, you'll see audio library, and you can literally just go ahead and click on this option. And this over here is going to pop up. So as you can see, there are so many different songs that are available here. You can then go ahead here at the top and search or filter the library by attribution not required. So with these songs that just show this YouTube symbol here, it means that you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize with no attribution required. So you don't have to mention where the song comes from, okay? This is ideal. All right, now obviously you're not going to just want to pick any one of these songs. You have to pick a song that really suits the style of your video, right? And so as you can see right over here, we have different music on here, which is all of these songs. And then you'll also see different sound effects. So if you want specific sound effects like a whoosh sound when you're transitioning from one part of your video to another, you can do that. You'll see here that there are so many different sound effects from truck driving to car driving to a straw that squeaks. So there are so many different ones that you can pick from that you can use to enhance the the quality of your video and make it even more engaging for your audience. And what's really cool about the YouTube audio library is you can actually filter these songs by mood or genre. So all that you'll have to do is you can come here, you can click on this filter place, and you can say you want to filter it either by genre. So you can say here the genre, and you'll see here there are so many different types of music like pop, cinematic, classical, ambient for your more calm videos. Plus, let's say you want to filter it by mood. You can just go to mood over here, And you can say you want the mood to be calm, you want it to be bright, maybe you want it to be romantic. And so if we click here on inspirational and I say apply, you'll see that they're going to give me all of these songs that are in the inspirational mood. And you can just come and play these songs and see which ones you like. Now from here, you can simply go ahead over here to the added and you can click on download right over here. And from there, you can simply paste that into your editing tool and voila, there you have your song. Now, if you are on your YouTube journey and you are really struggling to grow your YouTube channel, despite all of the hours and energy that you put on, you just can't seem to get any views, then I have good news for you because I now am offering one-on-one coaching sessions and they're called the YouTube Game Plan Session. And you can book a session for yourself. It's 45 minutes. And in that session, I will help you strategize your YouTube channel plan so that you can start attracting the right audience. You can be sure you're posting the right kind of content and you can be sure that you're actually going to start growing. So if that is something that you are interested in, then you can go ahead and check out these coaching sessions in the description. I have put the link over there. Now, by the way, if you are looking for a way to make your life a lot easier as a YouTube creator and you don't necessarily want to look for music in one place and look for images and B-roll in another place, but you rather want to use one tool to do all of it for you, then you can consider using Descript. So Descript is an all-in-one editing software, and I personally use Descript to edit my videos in just 1 hour. It's really a fantastic editing tool. Plus, inside that editing tool, you get music that you can use in your videos. You get B-roll, you get images, you get so many different elements that you can include in your video to make it more engaging. And so if you would like to see how I use Descript to edit my videos in 1 hour or less, and how you can do the same, I created a video all about it right over here that you can check out next. I'll see you there.